I'm Shivank Kapoor.
I'm Emmanuel Gacheru.
And our name of our app is Presidential Simulator.
The target audience for our app is mainly kids who want to become president.
So for the basic premise of our app is just swiping left for yes and swiping right for no. And so you'll be given a series of questions, and so you can swipe yes and no, and your popularity would go up and down with also your how much money you have.
The purpose of our app is to show kids how difficult it is to be president, and also what the jobs of the presidents are.
Okay, so this is our app, and so the first thing when you open the app, you'll see a popularity right here, which will say 100%, and the money which will be in the 1 million range. And so right here, it will give you a card and say, a company offers you a bribe in order for anti-environmental bill to pass. And then it asks you, take the bribe. And so you can swipe like that for yes, or like that for no. So let's swipe yes on this one. And so you see, your money went up by 100,000, and your popularity stayed the same. So this is a second card. Mr. President, the elderly demand better Social Security rates. Would you like to make a new social reform? Keep in mind this will cost 40,000. So let's say we say no on this one. You see, popularity went down by 1%, and it showed red right here saying that it went down, and money didn't change. And there's also this thing to keep track of how many cards you've gone through. So this is the code for the game, and so I used a language called Dart, and so Dart allows me to make Android apps and iOS apps. So this was an Android app, and this is the main part of the code, and this was about 22 lines, and then there's the main page over here. This is about 200 lines, and it's for all the core gameplay, so it's like swiping to the left, swiping to the right, all that, showing the cards, doing the card animations, and handling all the states that could happen of like getting impeached and things like that. And I also have an events thing right here. And so the events Dart class will have a class called event and a class called events. And so event will be like what could happen. So it would have a description and how if you chose yes, your popularity changed, or if you chose no, your popularity changed, and money like that.